Man with son. First time they are coming to this country, they are coming from very small town up in mountains. They have nothing, no conveniences, absolutely nothing. They have people have nothing. They are going to big mall, and they are amazed what they see. And they are standing and they are watching doors which are opening and closing, opening and closing. There's little lights on top lighting up with numbers on them. They don't know what it is. They see old lady in wheelchair is come up to the door, is push button. They push the old lady in the little room. Door closes, disappears, goes up. Then a little later, door comes down, room comes down again. Door is open. What happens? 20-year-old gorgeous looking woman gets out. Old man looks at son, he says, "Yemu, pili ke phone sa ti mana su. Go get your mother, quick."